Ngam in wala mashpi hakani ko por ya ki khubor ki bakarpang ki bede bat ka COVID-19. Ha Meghalaya ka tanat ki kampo yeng jang ka sarkar jilla kala batha eu DGP banyele kat bala la ka bor banya dai ki pulet ka jilla hadin bala yo jing tip bagi don shibon ur ki pulet bagi sipai ki bala yo ya uknyang jing pang corona hakeleng kari. Daga bashim kiai ki jing e ki ba ka tanat pulet ka ikendo la batha eu DGP ba unle kat ka badan kam ban penbiang jing da bakarpang ya baro ki pulet. Menteri ki kampo yang ke sarkar jela uba la kemen remboi ong ba baro ki ken hun sipai ki badan ha kene ke jela kin haban buat perkheng ya baro ki jing betha ka bukan thop ru ya ki pulen menteri ong ba baro ngie ken do jing e ha ki rukom ki ba pher hendai ke long ru ka badan kam ban ya che khamat ha ka jing im ba ka tre ka ta ban ken tiu ya ka yo ka kot kan haban sedang no bat kam long ka badai ban khang tala ya baro ki e namar ka jing ki jong ka khlam Kabenta ka balai jong ka jingkhang dam hari India ka la sedang na duk menta ka sengi. Ka sarkar India ka la dapat benai ka ni ka jingkhang dam ka balai na duk mensi tho ding. Ha ka ju ka por ka sarkar ka la rai ba an panjan sorgi kendon ha gitu ki district ki balat na ka jings ir ka khlam. Ka tanat ka bapet ka kot ka khya ka la phya ya palat news patli ki district ha ki lai benta ka red zone, orange zone bat ka green zone. Baro ki district ki haban buat perkheng ya ki kendon trekam kat kum ka kedan kabala sya itu da ka sarkar. Menteri ka sarkar India Prakash Javadekar ong ba ha ki green zone la ai jingmit bakin penyat ya ka treka kata baro lat no tang ke jingalang pat ba. Ong ba kani ka ka khubor ba ka India kala ya chaprang ban yo palat no artat ya ka jingkhang dam hakari. Ulo ong ru ba ka sarkar NDA ka long bala ai tilut banya dai ka jingim ki briu bat ha ka ju ka por ban pen khlan biang ya ka yo ka kon. Ka sarkar India kala pensyai ba ka hukum jongka ban ai jingbet ya ki nongbala ki samla puli bat ki nong shangkai perthei ban letlenti ka long ban ai lat ki bekin poi shala ki jongki yeng ki sem na ka ba kilami hashwa ban khot ya ka pakhang dam hakari katai ka jing ai jingbet ka long kerpang tang na ka benta jongki namar ki dan haparing ka lanot bat kani kam kan thop satya ya ki to ki batre ha ki wei ki jela shabar shnong na jong ki ba shukwa le chuti shala ki jongki yeng Menteri ke sarkar Meghalaya bapet ya katanat jong ka kot ka khya uba EL heng ne ka sngi ula palat pat ba ya ka dawai sat kiti ne ka hand sanitizer bala penmi da ka Directorate of Health Services DHS Research Pasture Institute Laumali Shillong ha ka jingkran jong uba EL heng ulo ong ba katanat jong ka kot ka khya ka la le ka ka bakerpang bha ha ka ni ka por banya dai ki nong shong shnong ka jela da ka bakala yo ban penmi ya ka dawai sat kiti la jong Uba EL hek ula ongru ba ka Pasture Institute kan sawan ra shibun ki jingkala ha ka jela ha ka beide ba ka koi ka khya ha ka jela ha ki snem ki banwan lawan pen kenau biang hang ni ba ka jing pen mi ya ka te ka hand sanitizer da ka DHS ka long da ka jing thmu ban yo pen biang ya ka jing sumar ka ba khambha shekin nong shong shnong bat ka diru ka mar ka bajur bha ka jing dawa ha ka jela la jong Menteri ula sam ya katika sanitizer shekinong pathai kubor ba ula le jngoru ya ka jaka ha Ganesh Das Hospital ya ka bala depen kre kum ka isolation ward. Menteri ramba ka Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma ne ka sngi ula shong jingelang bagi doktor ha Shillong Civil Hospital. Habaya kiran bat kinong pathai kubor hadien jong ka jingelang usang ma ulo ong ba ka jingelang kalalong hapadeng medical superintendent bat kinong tray jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital ban kmi ye ka long kaman jong ka tray kta bat ki jinge ba maki ki kendo Menteri rang ba ong ba ka long ka badan kam hadu kata ban ai khubli sngongu ye ka jing tray shitom jong ki baro Shushu ula benrap du da ka baong ba ka jingwan yalam ya ki try muluk ki basakut shabar jong ka jela kan sedang nadu la syai ka sengi. Shisin bala sedang ka jingwan jong ki nabar jela ka sarkar kan dan hapadeng shibun ki jinge. Ula ong bagi doktor ki hap long bala kre lupa la dami kanu ka jingdawa ha ka pang ka shitam kat bampat yo ya ka dawai banyada na ka COVID-19. Paralok nang sngap baro players ngom mentani ki khubor kerpang hakabai dei badu COVID-19 ya ka balawan lam shapi da ka regional news unit jong ka All India Radio Shillong sngop haban aban ta se ka program ka banbon
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. In Meghalaya, the State Home Department has directed the DGP to do everything possible to keep the state police force safe after reports of many personnel of the paramilitary forces and those in frontline tested positive of COVID-19 countrywide. Taking into consideration the difficulties faced by the police department, the DGP has been asked to do all the necessary things to protect the police force, Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy said. He said that all paramilitary forces operating in the state will have to strictly follow the standard operating procedures, whether it's the state police or any other forces. Acknowledging the difficult situation everyone is faced with, the Home Minister said, life must go on, economic activities must be started, and everything cannot be held to ransom by coronavirus. The third phase of lockdown arising out of COVID-19 pandemic comes into effect today. Centre had on Friday announced extension of lockdown for 2 more weeks after the 4th of May, with considerable relaxations in lower risk districts. Health Ministry has divided over 700 districts of the country into red, orange and green zones, and centres guidelines will be followed according to the zone. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has said that in green zones, practically all day-to-day activities have been allowed, barring congregations. He said government wants to give the message that India is undergoing a phased exit from the lockdown where more and more activities are allowed to be conducted. He said NDA government is determined to save lives as well as reboot the economy. Centre has clarified that its order allowing movement of migrant workers, tourists, students and others are meant to facilitate a movement of the stranded persons who had moved from their native places and workplaces just before the lockdown and could not return due to restrictions. It said the movement during the lockdown is meant for such distressed persons and not to those who are otherwise residing normally at places other than the native places for the purpose of works and wish to visit their native places in normal course. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hegg today launched a locally made alcohol-based hand sanitizer at Directorate of Health Services Research Pasteur Institute, Lamali, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, A.L. Hegg said that this is an important initiative by the Health Department towards safeguarding the citizens of the state, and it is pertinent to state that necessity is the mother of inventions. He said that Pasteur Institute will be the future and a game changer for the state as far as health scenario is concerned. It may be mentioned that with an aim to supply safe and effective hand sanitizers for the citizens, and due to the high demand for hand sanitizers in the state, the Directorate of Health Services Research has introduced a small-scale manufacturing unit at Pasteur Institute, Shillong, to cater to the needs of the healthcare workers and the general public. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said that the government will be facing a challenge once the people who are stranded within the northeast and other parts of the country starts arriving, informing that the doctors will have to be prepared to handle any kind of situation till the vaccine is found for COVID-19. Meghalaya Chief Minister said that they have also discussed on the challenges and difficulties faced by the doctors and staff of the hospital. Confirmed COVID-19 cases in India stands at 42,533. The death toll from the outbreak in India is at 1,373, while the global toll from COVID-19 has crossed 3,50,000. The lockdown in India has been extended till May 17. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic has spread across 187 countries and territories. Today is the 41st day of India's nationwide lockdown, which has been extended till May 17. Restrictions have been eased in non-hotspot areas. 340 tons medical cargo have been delivered in Northeast by Lifeline Uran flights during lockdown period. Sources in the Airport Authority of India in Guwahati said that 12 airports in Northeast have provided relief materials to around 10,000 people during lockdown. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio. Please stand by for the program that follows.